In our previous video, we have seen how to customize the tab layout. Now I'm going to show you how to use FrameLayout to switch between fragments with tab layout. So first I have created a fragment package, and inside the fragments package I'm going to create the fragments. So this is the home fragment. I have added the view binding with it, and I have customized the UI a little bit. So I have added a text view in the middle with the name home on it because it's home fragment, and added it inside the relative layout parent. So I need to add all of these 3 more times to complete all the 4 fragments. So fragment creation is done. Now it's time to add a frame layout, and the frame layout is here. Now inside the activity I'm going to add the tab listener, add on tab selected listener, and inside this listener I'm going to switch between different fragments using the frame layout. So on tab selected is the only one we are going to use, others won't be using here. And I have forgot to add the ID of the frame layout. So let's add the ID. So first I check if the tab is null or not. If the tab is not null, then I will use when to switch between tab.position, and each position will switch between each of the fragments. So for position 0 we will replace the frame layout with the home fragment. For position 1 we will use the security fragment, and so on. So this is just it. We added all of this fragment one by one: security fragment, then history fragment, then the profile fragment, and lastly we need to add the default case. When the onCreate method is called, there won't be anything selected, so we need to select the first tab layout, and then we need to do the first fragment transaction to the home fragment so that we will not be seeing any blank screen. And as you can see, here is our layout and it's working properly except for the security tab. Let me check it, and yes, I have selected the wrong fragment. It will work now, and yes, all of this fragment is working properly. It is switching using the frame layout and fragment transaction. So this is for this video. I will see you in the next one with something new with the tab layout. Thanks for watching Tranquilly Coding.